Okay. Solving for y first. Let's turn into y is equal to 4 minus 2x be our third equation. Then substituting this third equation to equation 2, we have 3x minus 2. The value is 4 negative 2x. Solving for x is equal to, we have 3x negative 8 positive 4x is equal to 27. Solving for x, and then we have 7x is equal to 27 plus 8. 7x is equal to 35. Dividing both sides by 7 to solve for x. Divided by 7, x is equal to 5. Okay, we have now the value of x, so we can solve for the value of y using equation 1. Okay, we have 2 times 5, because our equation 1 is 2x plus y is equal to 4, plus y is equal to 4. Solving for y, we have y is equal to 4 minus 10. Y is negative 6. Okay, do you have the same value with mine?
Yeah.
Alright, very good.